Okay, so this is part 2 of our completing the square topic. So here we are going to solve a quadratic equation when a is not equal to 1. So here's our equation. 3x squared plus 12x equals 13. So step number 1 is check to see if it's factorable. So I add negative 13 to both sides because to factor a quadratic equation, you first have to make it equal to 0. So I check that out, and then I multiply a times c, which equals a negative 39. So when I look at the factors of negative 39, I get negative 1 and 39 and negative 3 and 13. And that adds up to 38, and that adds up to 11, so that doesn't work. Okay, now that I've checked, I can go to step 2, which is isolate the quadratic and linear terms. But when we do that, this time we're also going to divide by a. So here's our equation, and we're going to divide by a. So we wind up where a is 3, right? So we divided by a, we got 4x, and we got 13 divided by 3. Now, of course, that's uncomfortable because it's a fraction, but that is the way it is. Okay. So now we're going to divide by b just like we did before. We're going to divide b by 2 and square it just like we did before. Okay. So here's b right there. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 2 squared is 4. So that is what we're going to add that value to both sides, and we get this. Okay. Now, the complication is we have a fraction. So what are we going to do? We're going to turn this 4 into a fraction. And when we do that, we get 12 over 3. So we're going to add 12 over 3 instead of 4. And we get 25 thirds. Now, this side we're going to rewrite as the perfect square trinomial as a binomial squared. And once we've done that, we're just about done, because now all we have to do is take the square root of both sides and solve. And that's what you get. The square root of x plus 2 squared is x plus 2. And the square root of 25 over 3 is plus or minus the square root of 25 over 3. So we subtract 2 from both sides, and we get x equals negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 25 over 3. So isn't that nice? We've got a very nice process here. And even though it's a square root of a fraction, that ain't going to hurt us. Okay? All right, that's it. Thanks.